So we're making it to our delivery, and this guy's like supposed to call me for like the last day. Like, he's supposed to call me. And then my stepmom calls me this morning and is like, hey, are you supposed to be delivering at so-and-so place? And I'm like, yeah. She's like, they're texting your dad. So somebody at GP gave out the emergency contact information to these guys, which should have never happened. I think I need to go down and around the building. But that's crazy to me that, you know, you just... Yeah, I don't think I'm supposed to go that way. It'd be much better if I went down to the end and came around. So, yeah, I don't know. That honestly kind of pissed me off that they called my dad and was texting my dad, because I gave GP his information for like if I died or like got in a serious wreck, you know, to call him, not for a broker to call him. Like, there should never be any confusion with that. So I don't know. And this guy still hasn't called me, and I just called his boss because I was like, dude, I'm 4 miles out, like, where do I need to go? And he's like, oh, I'll have him call you. And still this guy hasn't called me, so I'm thinking I'm supposed to be on the other side of the building though. So we're gonna dip around to the other side. It'd be great if this guy called me. Alright guys, so we got offloaded in literally like 25 minutes. So I'm done. I'm going home for 5 days. I'm gonna go to Love's here, top up the fuel, try to hit diamond status. And then after that, I'm gonna go park at the Petro, and I don't know. I think that I won't be able to get out of the truck till like 5 o'clock or whatever, but that's okay. That's all right. So we are headed now to the Love's to top off. Probably just go ahead and grab a shower since I got time to kill, and then get some lunch, and then just maybe edit some videos or something in the truck. So I've been driving for like a year and a half, and we had a first today. So back where like your handle goes back in, and then you like spin the thing down and like put your seal through the holes. Apparently the 2 bolts on top and bottom, you can just unbolt those and pop that off and leave the seal in contact and open the doors and stuff. So the place I went was like, we will not load your trailer unless you spin those things around, like put the bolts on the inside. And I was like, I'm not doing that. I'm not, like, no, I've been driving for like 2 years, and this is the first time I've ever heard that from anyone. I was like, that's stupid. I'm like, it's literally going 500 miles, and I'm taking it to HQ, so no one's gonna mess with your damn load. Like, no. And so then I called Cornell, and I was just like, I'm pretty sure, like, cause us, like drivers, like, I don't know about here at GP, but at CFI it was a huge thing that like, you're not even supposed to change your own light bulb, because it's like a huge like liability. Like, if we get injured or destroy something, like, you know, the company doesn't want us at fault. And like, I know it's pretty simple, but I'm like, I'm not doing that. Like, I know how to remove the bolts and spin them around. That's stupid. That's literally so dumb. Like, you guys can just get over it, and you can go out of business if you're gonna be stupid like that. Like, because I mean, think about how many trucks they turn away. Because like, I mean, I'm sure owner operators do it, right? But I'm sure most company drivers won't do it. So, I mean, I'm sure they're turning away trucks after trucks. I don't know why, but it feels like the truck does not have as much power today. So we're going to Topeka, Kansas to pick up our next load. And apparently it's some pet food place. And all the reviews that I read said that don't come to this place. They take like 6 hours and ruin your clock. Like, so I'm like, great. We're going to be on a great start Tuesday. So I was hoping to just get that load this morning and go, but such a dumb rule. I was not doing it. But I bought a Powerball, and it's like $1 billion. So if I win, I'm done driving. I'm done. I'm just gonna retire at 23. I'm not winning though. It'd be nice, but I mean, someone's got to win the damn thing, but it's not gonna be me. It's not gonna be anybody watching this video. You might win your $2 back, but that's about as far as anybody's gonna get lucky. All right, so we just got our tandem slid to where we want them. We got 517 miles and we got 8 hours of drive time and 8 hours and 48 minutes of shift clock. So we're just gonna be able to knock out like 7.5 hours today. So that puts 11:30, but I gotta hope I can find somewhere. And then after that, I'll have, I don't know, like 8 hours and 10 minutes. So, well, hopefully I can get there by 10 a.m. We'll see. They just took so damn long and yada yada and yada yada and yada yada. So hopefully we can just get going. I don't know why the fan is just like spinning so much. It's not really hot out. Like, it's 91. Oh, I guess it is 91 today. I don't think it was that hot out. Dude, these people. Come on. So we were supposed to deliver this yesterday at 10 a.m. and I woke up and I drove like 30 minutes and I felt like complete shit, and I feel way better today. I took a lot of like cold and flu medicine yesterday, so like I don't feel like as droggy today, but I'm still like super congested. Like I keep blowing my nose and like hacking up loogies and stuff. But anyways, I told Cornell this morning, like I woke up and I was like, I feel way better, like we can go. And then my delivery, am I supposed to turn out the light? My delivery, he was like trying to get it set up for today at 10 a.m. and the broker was like, oh, he's gonna have to wait 10 days to deliver it. And Cornell's like, I'm not making you wait 10 days. So he called me at 3 today and he's like, all right, dude, I'm gonna have you try to go in there and see if they'll just work you in or what's gonna go on, which is Dollar General, so that's like very unlikely. I don't think they'll work me in because they have lumpers and stuff, so I think they're just gonna like tell me to get lost. So apparently if they don't unload me today, the plan is to take it somewhere in Dallas, drop the trailer, and then he'll give me something else, because it sounds like it's gonna be like 10 days or something until they can schedule me in again, which I find that hard to believe. But we're about 2 miles away and we're gonna pull up and see if we can get it done. I'm kind of hoping not, because I really don't want to even deal with it. Like, Dollar General just sucks. Like, lumpers, sweet time, like I'm guessing, like, because the lumpers, they get paid like, I don't know, it's like $400 or whatever. So, you know, they just milk it out or whatever. You know, they could take a whole day and they're still making good money. So, you know, 8 hours make $400, that's $50 an hour, you know. So I'm not too sure if they're gonna take me, and if they do, I have a feeling it's gonna be a long unload time, which wouldn't be the worst, because I don't think I'm getting paid layover for today, because Cornell, I think that's kind of why he told me to go here and see if I can get it in or not, because if I stayed at that truck stop waiting till tomorrow, then it would be a layover. But since he made me drive my 100 miles to try to check in, they get out of layover pay. So that means if this place doesn't take me today, instead of getting $100 for layover, I only get $58 for the 100 miles that I drove, which I can't be mad, but it just sucks, because I was hoping that I could do it this morning and get another load, you know, and now like there's no chance of me getting another load today. So today's pretty much a real wasted day. So pretty much was sick for 2 days, so just kind of sucks. But that's the first time in my whatever amount of time I've been here that I've told Cornell I was sick. At CFI, I used to tell them a little bit more often that I was sick, because they just, you know, like if they give you like a 200-mile load, you're like, oh, I'm not feeling good, you know, so they couldn't give you that load. But here, you know, they do a really good job of keeping you running, so I really don't have a reason to call in sick. But yesterday I was really sick. I felt so bad like that. And I know last year on my birthday I was sick too, because I had strep throat, and my birthday was the 28th, and I didn't feel sick on my birthday, but when I got back to the truck, which I did go to a concert and it was like standing room only, so being sick really screwed me. I was sick Wednesday. I came back Tuesday morning, sick Wednesday, good to go Thursday, no miles Thursday, no miles today really either. We tried to deliver it last night, that was a no-go. And then Cornell, I messaged him last night at like midnight. I was like, hey dude, just let me know when you find out what the game plan is. And I don't think till like noon he got a hold of me, because I called him at like 8. I'm like, hey, what's the word? He's like, we have nothing right now. I'm like, god damn it. And around noon he's finally like, go to this place, and there's like a tow recovery place, and they're gonna let you drop your trailer there for 10 days, which I'm not gonna be the one to go get it, but someone else will. But yeah, so basically I should have just stayed home, because I think this week, after all said and done, I only earned $600, which is really bad, dude, because that's not even after taxes. That's awful, literally awful. And so I think that first load really screwed us, because if I would have just stayed, you know, like if I would have like turned the bolts around like they wanted, which was stupid, like if they didn't have that requirement, I would have been in Chicago at the yard, and I would have woke up feeling like shit. So I would have called Cornell, and some other driver would have went and delivered it, and then, you know, I would already had 580 miles, and then Thursday morning I would have just got a load. So the week would have been completely different if I went to Chicago, but instead I was in Texas. And so we got a load for tomorrow that picks up at noon, noon tomorrow. So I just got to go grab an empty today, and then find somewhere to shut down and go pick up at noon. So I'm gonna be off for like 16 hours or whatever. So it's just a lot of downtime this week. This is the first week I've ever had a GP where like the week has just been awful. And it wasn't a full week, but it was pretty damn close. It was one day short, you know, just Monday short. So, and it's not like it's a great load. It's going to Nashville, so it's like 600 miles, and then it delivers Monday. So I'll probably just go, dude, that sucks. Like picking up, oh god, I pick it up at noon, say it'd take 2 hours. God damn it, I'm not gonna be able to find parking in Nashville at 10 o'clock at night. Fuck, it's literally ass. It's just been a shit week, dude. I'm supposed to be going home in 2 weeks again, 2 weeks from today, but if it doesn't pick up, there's no way I can afford it. I can't go home, even though it's paid home time this time, because I'm gonna burn up vacation time. I still really can't afford it, because I won't have any money going home. Fuck. Well, I guess we'll find out. So what I saw on, oh, why do I have a light on? Is it just flickering? Oh, fuck. Apparently on Trucker Path, this place is supposed to have parking almost all day. That's not good that we have a light on though. That means we might have a flat tire or something wrong with the trailer. So I'm gonna have to take a look at that. Should be able to find a spot here to park though. Damn it. I checked all the tires before I left, so must have ran over something on my way here. I'm gonna cut through the fuel island and park over here. I hate Carl's Jr., but I just have to work. Damn it. I'm guessing I have a flat tire somewhere. I'm gonna check them all again. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Come on, buddy. don't know. I don't hear any air leaking up here, so I don't think I have a flat. I'm gonna take this spot next to this box truck. It's kind of stupid back, but I'm gonna fix it just a little bit here. Slide it over closer to this box truck. He's not parked in there worth a buck. I'll probably stay up pretty late tonight because my pickup's not till noon. But we got to get out and check all this stuff. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay. Keep those wheels turning and we do this every day. Backing up a trailer, look at all the roads I've driven. Come and ride with me, yeah, let me show you how I'm living. Come on.